square, cube, power, exponent, exponentiate. These words all appear in the language of mathematics. They are connected, but they are not the same. Here is the difference. First, square. To square a number means to multiply it by itself once. For example, 2 squared means 2 by 2. The result is 4. This word is only used for the power of 2. Now notice this. Square is short, natural, and very common in English math. People often say, square the number, or the value was squared. Next, cube. To cube a number means to multiply it by itself twice. For example, 2 cubed means 2 by 2 by 2. The result is 8. Just like square means power of 2, cube means power of 3. Now raise to a power. This is the general expression. It works for any exponent. You can say, raise 2 to the 4th power. Raise x to the power of 5. This is standard mathematical English. Now notice this. Square and cube are special cases, but raise to a power works for every exponent. Next, exponent. An exponent is the small number that tells you how many times the base is multiplied by itself. In 2 superscript 3, the number 3 is the exponent. This word is technical, but extremely important in mathematics. Finally, exponentiate. This is the most technical word in the group. To exponentiate means to raise something to a power. Unlike square, this word is not limited to the power of 2, and unlike everyday math language, exponentiate sounds highly academic, computational, or mathematical. You may see it in algorithms, programming, matrix operations, or advanced mathematics. Most native speakers rarely use this word outside technical contexts. So here is the key. To square means power of 2. To cube means power of 3. To raise to a power means any exponent. An exponent tells you the power. And to exponentiate means performing the operation itself. All of these words describe powers, but each one works at a different level of mathematical language.